Hello, I am Elliot, the Chief Financial Officer of Upward.Vision. I'm here to talk to you about why I serve on the board of directors of this nonprofit and the different ways you can support the important work that we're doing. Here's some information about me. I'm a certified public accountant with a private practice in California. I have a master's degree in accounting and a bachelor of science in biochemistry. The accounting procedures I developed for Upward.Vision follow the best practices I use in my consulting work in corporate finance. This is why I can risk my professional CPA license to certify that donations to Upward.Vision will be used for the charitable purposes outlined in our 501c3 nonprofit charter. Charitable giving is one of the noblest human activities, but also one of the most abused. For that reason, we take a hands-on approach to giving at Upward.Vision. If you give a Christmas gift or a bicycle to one of the students in our partner schools, you will get a thank you message from them personally.
My name is Sandra. I am 10 years old. I live in Togo. Bye-bye.
If you sponsor an ecotourism project, you will be in direct contact with the people you are empowering.
To protect this forest. So if you can sponsor our ecotourism, it will help these villages and to help school in Togo.
If you finance construction of hiking trails, a school, or a nature center in a third world location, your name will appear on the project and a board member from Upward.Vision will personally escort you to the ribbon cutting ceremony. With our vision and your support, nothing is impossible. We want to find sponsors for ecotourism projects in America and around the world. We want to break the cycle of incarceration for U.S. prisoners through entrepreneurial training that inmates can complete behind bars, and we want to find sponsors for their new business once they are released. We want to finance education programs that teach dyslexic students to read so that they can find employment in our increasingly complex world. We want to connect donors to projects that will create a living legacy in the form of changed lives. There really is nothing that is impossible if kind-hearted people are empowered to help others. If you can help by giving to Upward.Vision and by becoming a volunteer, it would be greatly appreciated. All it takes to get started is to visit Upward.Vision. Once you are there, please fill out a contact form or give online. We can't wait to hear more from you.